Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our English class. We had completed our chapter The Magic Garden. Today we are going to start Unit 2, Lesson 3, Bird Talk. It's a poem. The name of the poem is Bird Talk. Do you think bird talk? It's a different name. It is some unique. So let's start. There is a question for you. What is the question? Do birds talk? Yes. Think. Do birds talk? Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. What is this? Means you are getting confused. Some are saying yes, birds talk. Some are saying no, birds don't talk. So all are getting confused. Those who are thinking that bird don't talk, they are thinking, I think so that they are thinking birds don't have their language. So how it is possible that bird can speak? How it is possible that birds can convey their message to others? Yes, students, do you think like this? I hope so. And others, those who are saying yes, they are saying that birds have their own sound, their own specific sound. Each bird have their own specific sound. They use that sound to talk to each other. Yes, student, are you thinking like this? Yes, but still some confusion is there. Yes, we will try to find out the answer of this question. So, students, today we are going to learn birds' name and sound. We will learn bird's name and sound. So whenever you will hear a sound of any bird, you will be able to name that bird. Okay, students, now we will watch a video. So are you ready? Let's watch a video.
day.
So students, I hope all of you have liked the video and enjoyed. And now I hope that you are able to identify a bird by hearing the sound of that bird. Are you able to find out? Yes, you can identify. Okay students, take care and enjoy and watch the video again and identify the sounds. Take care. Thank you. We will meet again in our next class.